In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slicer in Microsoft Excel. Slicers are a simple and visual way to filter data in an Excel table. Instead of opening drop-down menus and searching through long lists, you can click buttons to instantly show the information you want. This makes slicers especially useful when you're working with tables that contain categories like departments, employee groups, dates, or statuses. To create a slicer from an Excel table, start by going to the Insert menu. This is where Excel keeps tools that let you add helpful interactive elements to your worksheet. Before doing this, make sure your data is already set up as a table, because slicers work directly with Excel tables and help you filter them more efficiently. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Filters section and click on Slicer. This tells Excel that you want to create a visual filter for your table. As soon as you click it, Excel will open the Insert Slicers dialog box. In that dialog box, you'll see the available fields from your table. These are the elements you can use to create slicers. Select the items you want to filter by. For example, if your table includes categories such as department, role, or location, you can choose any of those fields to make filtering much easier. You can also select multiple parameters at the same time while creating slicers. This is helpful if you want to analyze your table from more than one angle. Instead of creating just one filter, you can create several slicers together and use them side by side to narrow down your data more precisely. For example, if you want to view employees from different departments, a department slicer makes that very easy. You can simply click the department you want, and the table will immediately update to show only the matching records. This gives you a much cleaner view of the data and helps you focus only on the information that matters. If you want to remove the filter and return to the full table, use the Clear Filter option on the slicer. This will clear the selected parameters and show all the elements in the original table again. It's a quick way to reset your view without manually undoing each selection. Once your slicers are created, you'll have an easier way to sort through data visually and interactively. You can also customize the slicer settings using the slicer menu in the menu bar. This lets you adjust how your slicers look and behave, making them even more useful for organizing and exploring your Excel data.